Hi guys, here I have a short tutorial for you today. It's about the plank pose. So this what you see now, it's common in fitness. In yoga is called the dolphin plank. In yoga, we have high plank when we have the support on the whole arm, so the arms are straight. And it's gonna be a very short tutorial, or I have to be super strong. So let's go back to the yogic plank or Phalakasana. Yes, this is asana and it's also yoga. So in the yogic plank, we have the weight of the body on our palms. It's important to spread the fingers so that we push with the whole palm and we spread the weight of the body evenly on the whole palm and not just on the wrists, what happens when the fingers are together. So this is the first thing that you need to bear in mind. We will start from a tabletop pose. Let's go through the alignment. Spreading the fingers, palms under the shoulders, middle fingers are pointing forward. Then, from here, we will extend one leg. We do half plank. And we draw the belly in. So we feel the lower back is lengthening, even a little bit rounding, taking the belly in, activating the deep core muscles. So the plank is not about making a six-pack and building relief of your abdominal muscles. It's more about building strength in the deep core muscle. This is very important to improve the posture of our body in the daily life as well, to get some strength to prepare for arm balances and inversions. Okay, now from here, we just extend the other leg and we come in plank. We have a few different options of plank. One is when the whole body is in one line, and the other is when the upper body is parallel with the ground, so both are plank. We have also option when the shoulder blades are protracted. Only the shoulder blades are moving, nothing else is happening with my spine. Only the shoulder blades protracted, retracted. Both is fine. So we have different options. What you want to focus is to not have this arch on your lower back. Guys, this is not the plank. I see this very often. This is not good for you. This happens when the muscles of our back, the erector spinae alongside the spine, are well developed, but our abdominals and our deep core is weak. This is what happens, that we want to avoid the work for the abdominals, and then we are arching the lower back, so we want to have those muscles activated, but this is wrong. Don't do that. Then the other thing that is quite common is that people want to go down. They think they're straight, but indeed, it's happening something like this. Arching the lower back can more look like upper facing dog. So if you don't have the strength to keep yourself in plank, you can just drop your knees down. Or you can make breaks. You can even go a little bit higher, but rounding the spine is something between the downward facing dog and plank. Just you want to feel your core strong. Then another common mistake is collapsing your shoulders and injuring your neck. This is something that I see very often. You want to keep your shoulders strong, strong arms pushing. So just don't collapse here. Then one more common mistake is when the knees are bent. You want to push your heels towards the floor, keeping the legs straight, and that's it. That's the plank. And once you're sure you have this plank, then you can go into Chaturanga. Shifting your shoulders forward, bending the elbows, Chaturanga, upper facing dog. This you know from the sun salutations in Vinyasa. I hope this was useful for you. See you next time.